Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you I'm gonna solve another problem, which is lowest number. So first of all we have to read the question there. The question said that you have to, the output should be lowest number of your array and the index, and with the index of the lowest numbers. First of all, you can see there those example which is uh, given there, 3 1 2 3. The lowest number is 1 and the index of the lowest number is 1. So then the other year you also see something like that. So first of all we have to go to replete. So then we have to make a class, new class. So we I click in the create button, then here we write Java, and after that we select a name. We write e dot smallest space number. So then press enter. After that they, you can see they create a class. So first of all we have to write import java.util.star semicolon. You already know that why uh, we use dot star, because it means there are all kind of packages here. So and after that we write public class. Then we had need a scanner class. So I write scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. So then we have to input a number. So for that I write int n is equal to sc dot next int. We already know that this is the problems which we have to solve by array. So we have to declare a new array. So you already know how can you declare a array. Here I declare a array int array third bracket and then is equal to new int array of n. Because the limitation of array, no, then we run a loop which is for loop. There we take a new variable which is I, int I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus, and after that we input array of I is equal to sc dot next. Then you can see the question that first of all we write this array of I is equal to sc dot next for the line to input array. So then we take another variable, two variable. First one is value and the second one is position. Value means the value of array list, and then the position of the position means the index of those array element. So then we run a loop again which is for loop, and here we take another variable which is I, int I is equal to 0, I is greater than n and I plus plus. So we already take two variable like value and position. We have to initialize those variable. So initialization means the starting point of the variable. So we declare the starting point of those variable. First of all we write value is equal to array of 0. It means arrow the value which is situated in array of 0, it is stored in value. So value is equal to array of 0 and the position is equal to 1. So if array of I is less than value, So we store array of I into value. So I write value is equal to array of I, then we can write the logic for position. The here is I plus 1. So after that we have to write a statement for output. So we write system.out.println, and in the bracket we write value plus space then plus position, because in the example we already see that first of all in output it is first of all it print value and then space, and after all of this is give you position. So we try this. Here we input, first of all we input some number, first 3, then 1 space 2 space 3 and enter, press enter. Then you can see the lowest number here is 1 and the position of the 1 is 1. So the output is 1 space 1. So we copy the second example and paste here, and you can see the result, which is 2 3, because their lowest number is 2 and the index of 2 is 3. So if you can see the question appropriately and you see the code appropriately, you can see first of all what can we do. We input a number and then we input we run a loop and we input the array, and after that we take two variable, which is value and position. So first of all we initialize those variable, and then we write a logic which is if array is less than value, we stored value array of I into value, and then we write position. So position is equal to I plus 1. So if first of all you can see in the question that in first the is index, array of index is start from 0, so then position is 0 plus 1, so you can get the position is 1. And if you go to the second, the index is 1, and then if you 1 plus 1, your index, your position is show that 2. So after all that we copy the code and go to submit code, and then paste the code in here, and after that we click into the submit button, and then you can see that it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.